收到啦。咩啊？講多次。
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊告緊你啊。
嗯，清楚。OK， 各單位準備，我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊。
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情報右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend.
Are you crazy? No, don't.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊
Fucking hell!
！Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
Итак, кто узнал эту игру? Тот красавчик. Это Sleeping Dogs. Кто играл, тот тоже красавчик. Поэтому мы не смотрим.
Normally, don't draw attention to us. Oh shit! Stay with me. Come on, come on! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Moving it down啦！啱啱佢就發到海位咁。
Схватили. Вы арестованы. Спасибо. Всегда мечтал это услышать и увидеть.
Are you crazy? Keep moving!
Как? А что делать?
Are you crazy? Keep moving! Moving it down啦！啱啱佢就發到海位咁。
Ну так не продумали.
Get up！捉住佢！捉住佢！唔好俾佢走啦！
捉住佢！捉住佢！走！呢個要拉你！
警察，咪喐！我哋而家要拘捕你。
We can work something out, right?
唔使諗啦， 入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講，但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，即係成為呈堂證供，你明白？
Hey man, I told you next week，下個禮拜 OK？OK？
點解你同我講埋呢啲嘢啊？唔掂咁樣出嚟行啦
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. You know, 15 years to do that. You know, we're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old. But good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
It was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Ye. Got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Red Pole and the Sun on Ye. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. Still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it.
Jackie Ma.
Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. Just be like old times.
Seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
Might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Ye is the most powerful gang...
Look, Raymond. Your name is Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles. The lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Wei Shen? man. This is gonna be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way,
Сейчас, подождите.
you know, I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah.
So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The dog eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog eyes always was an asshole. Turns out he's a greedy asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild and paranoia.
Sun On Yi had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. They made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
你條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就認，打就企定。
Better call the cops!
哼，你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊？
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up. Wait up,
Kidding me? Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on. Fuck you!
你話你死梗啦！我嚟！
好驚啊！究竟發生咩事啊？
Damn, Wei! What did they do to you in America, man?
That look nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Так.
Oh! Where the fuck
Мы
do you
нашли
think you're
главаря.
going?
Relax, man. This is
Mm.
Wei. Wei Shen. I
Подрались.
told you about him, remember?
Вот,
We
узнали
can't
новые
keep track of your
приемчики
bullshit
и,
friends,
в
Jackie.
принципе, все.
No
He's
outsider.
not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us, Hochi all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Whole prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. And Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie. Yeah?
No. You should have seen it, Winston.
Сейчас,
Wait,
подождите.
beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇？
Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker.
Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊。So, 10 guys, huh? You feel us? It's just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can fight? I bet you fall at the first punch. Come on, you like that? Easy on him. What do you guys think?
How about that?
You can get him. Think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens. Alright, I'm gonna beat you and you're gonna take it. Wipe that smile off your face.
Увы, вы умерли. Спасибо. Хорошо. Ох, вылетело. Люблю эту игру. Sleeping Dogs. Обожаю. Просто от души прям вах. Еще. Ой. Вот это было от души. Ох. Ничего. Ну ладно. Всем, я так думаю, до скорой встречи. Остальное вы увидите в следующей серии.